Make every pixel count, whether you're showcasing dazzling digital signage, empowering presentations, or broadcasting mission-critical information. The PNM series displays radiate reliability by keeping colors consistent around the clock. With a high haze anti-glare panel that reduces reflection from ambient light, all the connectivity you need, and an integrated USB hub that allows you to connect peripherals without an external dock. With multiple daisy chain options including HDMI, DisplayPort, and LAN, simplify your setup with optional SDM and Raspberry Pi slot boards, reducing clutter and cabling with compute options built right into the display. Guarantee accurate colors with SpectraView Engine out of the box. And with a rugged mechanical design and all-metal chassis, landscape and portrait orientation, and 24/7 operations, the PNM series is the perfect display for transportation, healthcare, financial, corporate, and more. The PNM series large format displays high performance for demanding applications.